I went outside to water the community garden, but made a small harvest instead. Something is better than nothing on this Labor Day. Hello, and welcome to GQUAT Traditions. This is a variety channel featuring garden, quilt, and art traditions. My name is Ellen Pankey, and I'm the chief storyteller. I'm a daughter, great-grandmother, and I have lived in big cities, small towns, off-grid, own many animals, including horses, cows, pigs, chickens, goats, ducks, dogs, farm cats, and a worm farm. We are 8 generations that I've been alive of scratch cooking, gardening, handcrafts, fine arts, and do-it-yourself. Family is everything. Love what you do and do what you love. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications bell if you like our content. Thank you.